I got excited. I saw the reflection. I thought outside was on. Yay, we're fun again. Like I said.
Huh?
Like I said, Portia's a friend, but
I just don't want you to, because she always seems like she tries to use her sex appeal because that's what she did, like, but Jeff, I'm like, get away.
Yeah, no,
She tries to play nice.
Believe me, I know.
You know what she's doing, she's just trying to work you.
No, I know, but
It's obvious.
It's gonna take a lot more than that to work me.
Yeah.
And that's not.
I know. They try to play the feel sorry for me card.
But well, like that's what she said to me. She's like, after she was in the shower, she's like, I'm here. She's like, they told me they were voting Shelly, and I said, I just want to go. I'm like, don't even worry about it. Like, I'm still here. It's all good.
Because I wanted to see what she would do. Because she asked me, she goes, what are you doing? I go, I'm leaning towards Shelly. She goes, yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
And no, she was. When she told me, she's like, I'm only doing it for the house, but you were still good. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, don't worry about it.
She told me if she wanted to wait, she thought you were going out.
But I mean, for this to work, Rachel has to put the two of them up.
She is.
Because if she puts up Portia and me, and Portia wins to pulls Clea off, then one of us is gone. How many people are drinking the vino?
I'm just spendifying my room. I just wanted to tell you, I've been talking to Adam, and he was like, I just want to let you know, he's like, I know you're worried about Portia. He was like, but Portia and me, he goes, Portia is like life after here hanging out. He goes, me, you, and Rachel are gang. Like, meaning, he's like, I can separate it. And he said that, he was like, I promise you again, he was like, I'm with you and Rachel. I was like, okay. And then he was saying how Kalia in the bathroom was like, they told me they were voting for Shelly, and she goes, but I just want to let you know that me and you were still good to Adam. And I told him, I was like, well,
good, I'm glad we told her that.
I know. And Adam said that he was like, well, Rachel's got. Well, I was like, listen, I was like, Rachel knows what's up. I was like, I was like, she's not stupid. Because he's like, she's got to put both of them up for this to work. And I was like, I know, she knows that. And I was like, she's smart. And then he was like, okay. And I was like, we'll talk later. Because then Kalia, I feel like, is everywhere.
She is.
And
she's like, I just, so mad at myself because I didn't win. And I'm like, well,
because they would have put us up.
They would have put us up. And I was like, well, girl, there's still a lot of game to be played. Like, to be honest, there's a lot of game to be played, and only one of them can go home this week.
Right.
So we have the hardest decision, Jordan. Last week we thought that was hard. This week is going to be even tougher. Do we keep Portia or do we keep Kalia? Kalia's good at questions. Kalia's in the endurance. She's been second in every endurance. She even held on to that banana really long in the beginning. Portia fell off the skis before Kalia and fell off the dummies before Kalia. Kalia, she held her own in that donut competition, and she held her own in that competition with Jeff. But then there's Portia, and Portia was neck and neck with me and Jeff the entire game.
Yeah.
And then she's proven herself in competitions too. In skills, Portia seems like she's really good.
Skills, she's good at questions. No, before and after, she was out, and
she's been out in every question.
Yeah, so the next HOH is most likely going to be questions.
We have to think about the next veto. The next HOH is important, but it's the veto that's what counts.
Right. It could be the faces, or this veto is going to be the faces, or next one can be the faces. They always do faces.
We just have to, okay, like,
I think
let's say let's say like,
I just left them down there. Do you think it looks sketchy?
no.
That me and you were up here?
Seriously, there's 5 people left.
Oh, I just walked upstairs. I walked away from Kalia.
No, I don't think it's bad at all. We just need to be really careful. Like, I think Kalia is more dangerous than Portia.
Yeah, I think so too. I think Kalia needs to go, and if something happens and she wins the veto, well, we got Adam. Adam would use it if, or keep it the same. I'm sorry. And then we got me.
We need to have Adam up here, and we need to be like, look, you have to win that veto. Like this week and next week, you have got to win vetoes.
I know.
Like, obviously, Jordan and I are going to fight our asses off to win the veto, but guess what? You need to be fighting your ass off to win veto,
we're so
too.
close.
We're so close.
I'm really getting all nervous about it, because I'm like,
if we don't win veto next week, I'm going home. And what the hell? Like, is
Kalia said,
every good competitor going to go home? I mean,
right.
If it's Adam, Kalia, and Portia in the final 3, I will throw up.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no way one of them's going to go home, but...
Kalia did say to me that time, she was like, well, if I get HOH, she said she was putting up you and Adam.
Yeah. So, they're going up. I'm putting up Portia and Kalia.
Yeah, because they
don't tell them.
No, I know. But one of them could win, and then you would have to
We just send home the other one.
Yeah.
But
I think Kalia needs to go before, because Kalia was like, you said I could trust Rachel. And I was like, yeah, you can.
Well...
Just tell him that.
I think if it's like,
just say we all just
like
started.
OTEV or something, then I think that Portia could win it. Mm-hmm. But it doesn't matter because she's not our target this week.
Right. Doesn't matter.
So if Portia
we just
wins,
can't let Kalia get it.
I know. And I hate it comes down to a point where I do feel like Kalia deserves to be here, but by the same token, I think she's gonna take me out.
Right.
It's keep someone here that does deserve to be here, or run the risk of getting taken out,
right.
Sent home final 4.
Right.
Are you kidding me? I've never made it this far. Brendan didn't make it this far.
Right.
We've fought this entire summer, Jordan. Me and you have had our backs against the wall. We lost Brendan. We lost Jeff.
I think
we have to make it to the final 3.
I think we can talk later tonight because I know they're wondering what we're doing.
Who cares if they wonder?
But
at this point, it doesn't matter. Honestly, the only reason I came and got you earlier is because I didn't want you to be upset with me. But at this point,
I'm not upset with you at all. I was happy for you.
But at this point, it doesn't matter because there's 5 of us left. One of them's going home. We're in the final 4. So it doesn't matter if we're talking up here. It doesn't matter if we're...
Well, they were up here right after we left. Can we celebrate?
I know.
So I don't really care.
Me either.
I'm going to take them and I'll be up here later. But yeah, so I think
we have to think really strategically.
So you
are HOHs.
You got to do what you think, but you got to figure out who you think you can be if you are in the final 3. I think Kalia though in skill, I don't think is good, and Portia is good, but we don't know.
I think in endurance though, in endurance competitions, I think Portia might be good too. I just don't know.
But she might
we just
be
need
as good
to make sure she doesn't win next week.
Right.
If she wins a veto next week, I'm going home.
Yeah, I know.
And if Portia ends up in the final 3, if we can get rid of Portia or Kalia this week, and then Portia or Kalia next week,
we talk about it tonight. Whoever you nominate, and then we go from there. Because then we got veto the next day, and then we can decide, and we can just be like, all right.
Oh, it makes me so nervous because we're so close.
I know.
We're so close, but there's so much game left to be played.
But I think they're both would gun for you.
I think they're both gunning for me,
but you were closer to Portia, so maybe you could talk to Portia more.
Well, that's what I thought, but
then again, it's Portia and Adam.
She's not going to. And you know why, too? Because for some reason, I think she's jealous of our friendship. And, she always makes comments you left me for the other blonde. And I'm like, this doesn't make sense. So, real quick, but I don't think that Portia would listen to me at all at this point.
Just do what she wants.
Please put on your microphone.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go.
Will you pour me a glass of wine?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I don't think there's gonna be enough for Portia.
Oh, well.